We are here on the land parcel in Kancha Gachibowli, and this is the Peacock Lake, and on the other side of the Peacock Lake you can see the very thick forest area. You can hardly see anything on the other side. In fact, it is through a Vice Chancellor's guest house that you have access to this lake also from the other side, from the university side. And this is the land that we are talking about, that the government laid its eyes on. You can see those water pipes that have been brought there. Those were brought in, we are told, about a couple of weeks ago, and that was meant to carry away the drainage from this area, and you can see, if Nagraj pans down, you can see the water that is present in that area, and all those dumps of vegetation that we are talking about is something that you realize that this is what was happening. The work of the JCBs was to in fact cut all that vegetation and clear this area so that it looks like an area there where no tree or vegetation existed. That seems to have been the game plan of the government, because 60 to 70 JCBs were at work here, and they have managed to clear more than 100 acres of the forest land, and subsequently carry it away as well. The Supreme Court in fact expressed shock that so much of the land area could be moved away, and they have also expressed shock and asked, where exactly have you dumped all that vegetation that you have cleared from here? The government has not provided any answers yet. The Central Empowered Committee has been told they should come to this area and inspect this area. The High Court Registrar had in fact checked all this area, and it's after that that he gave that report that was quite damning on the state government. And all this is trenches that have been very recently dug with the waters coming in, and this is where the water pipelines are to be put. And you can see even the tire marks, all these tire marks that would have carried the trucks, 60 to 70 trucks that carried away all the logs of wood and forest that were in fact dumped in this area. As you can see, all that wood, shrubbery that were cut and dumped here, those that stayed behind, the rest of it of course was carried away by the logs, by the trucks that came in here and took them away. So 16th April is when the Supreme Court is once again going to hear this. Before the High Court as well will be hearing the PILs that have been brought before it on the 7th of April. What we understand is that at least 100 acres of forest land, or what certainly appears to us like forest land, because it would have been just like it is on the other side. What you can see, the other side is greenery, and what you can see on this side is brown land, Mother Earth, with denuded of any kind of a green cover. In Hyderabad, from the Kancha Gachibowli land parcel, Uma Sudhir, NDTV.